Hello and good day to everyone. In today's video we will be showing you how to use and add EMA to your Tradingview. But before that, quickly, MEXC, our sponsor for today's video, they are offering you $525 worth to spend on their website. Link is down below. Go check them out. Also, FTMO, you want to trade with other people's money? You don't want the risk? You want to keep up to 90% of the profits for yourself? Go to FTMO, prove to them that you have the skill and knowledge and that you know what you're actually doing, and that can be a reality for you. Okay, EMA, where to add it? Click on indicators, type EMA, and there it is, moving average exponential. After you click it, it will be shown here. I even added it twice by mistake. Whoops. Okay, remove one. There. So, what's EMA? As I said, average movement of price over time. That's usually the definition, and there's nothing quite much more to it. It just takes the amount of X closing prices and it divides them by the amount of X that you've inputted into it to give you an average to help you define trends. Usually if it's above the X defined, it's an uptrend. Usually if it's below the X, it's a downtrend. So, as you see, we've added it, and this little line popped up here. And right now, it's set at 9. Usually, you want to use around 20, 50, or 200. These are the most commonly used by all traders, and they will give you more accurate reading. So I'm gonna set it right now to 20. Click OK, and bam, you see how the line changed. So we can see when it's above the price, or just simply above the candles, it indicates usually a downtrend. If it's above, uptrend. Down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Huge uptrend here. You see? Huge peak. And it's it. The moment it goes above, downtrend. And that's pretty much it. I'm not gonna go in detail how it all the calculations and everything, but this is quite a simple tutorial. We'll go in depth more further on, but this is for now today. Thank you for watching. Remember, this isn't financial advice. Take your mind into peace. Have a nice day and see you next time.